just go to Coney. That's good. It's definitely better to work at a fun place without having to be so stressed out. I don't know why I keep landing here when there's a lot of people. Instead of just landing where I should be landing, which is on the other side. Like my brain subconsciously wants me to fail. Thanks, Brian. I actually wanted that. Shit. Lamb sauce. What are you doing? You look like a dog trying to get out. Get out of his cage. Yeah, I hate the Yogg too. The car is definitely where it's at. That thing just rips through people. No one had a shotgun? What the fuck? Need a shotgun here. Not gonna do very well in close combat. Great to see you. Praise Jeebus. Where are people? I need kills, man. Kills. Where are the people at? That's alright. Missed me. Bitch. I hated Fortnite for so long, but then they added no building mode. Yeah, it's like literally the belt. Woo! You saw that golden car, right? Combat assault rifle. I just call it a car for short. Oh, hell no. He's just gonna drop down and try to obliterate me with the shotgun. What the fuck? Later, bitch. Dude, it's literally fucking swimming away. Like, why? Fortnite hates me. Like, legit. It's okay, I'll find another Another place to get it. I see him, he's right there. Can I not ping? You can't ping. I don't know if I'll have enough time before he notices me. Oh, there's a crown over there? Later, dude. Give me that crown, baby! He didn't even have time to fucking drop, dude. I just annihilated him. This hog rider over here. Can get him while he's crossing. Come on.
Got him.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. I really don't know how to use this very well. Still kind of learning. Wrap him up. Definitely a controller player because he had no way to turn around that fast. I was just behind him the entire time. How many were there? There's two. Oh, there is. Definitely taking over the minis. Guy up here. Yeah, you better heal up. You're gonna need it. Or I'm done with you. Later, boy. Boy. You guys right there. Did he? I don't know if that was the same guy or not. But it's looking like he's grabbing away. Huh. Feels bad. I used controller and I got the sensitivity maxed out. Controller's fine, but like whenever I use it, like it's either all or nothing. Like if you max out the sensitivity, then it's harder for you to aim, but it does allow you to turn around faster. And on top of that, you get fucking aimbot practically because it, you know, the aim assist. But mouse just feels more fluid, at least for me, because I could just move with my whole arm. I don't know, it just feels more fluid. With controller, I don't feel like I don't shit. What is this guy shooting at? Crap over here. I'm gonna fuck. Oh, this guy's gonna screw me over. Fuck, I need... Woo! Last shot, literally last shot in the clip. And we're fucking out here using it. Yeah, I need you for your meat. Sorry. There's a guy right here too. There's a guy right here too. That guy is laggy as fuck. I'm getting shot from 2 different angles. This might be it for me. Nope, we're still in it. Still in it to win it. No, we're not. No, we're not. No, we're not. Problems, problems, problems. Zigzag, zigzag. Where is he? He's probably hiding in a bush because he's a little bitch. I guarantee it. He's probably hiding in that bush. I'm gonna pre-fire it too. One of these bushes. Or tree. One of the two. Or he took the fucking storm. Has to be this bush. No? I saw someone shooting over here still. Does me too, but with how fucking good my PS5 is, I'm slowly switching back to PlayStation. Yeah, I literally just upgraded my PC. I got a whole new PC like a couple weeks ago, or maybe even a month ago by now. But because I just wanted to commit more to streaming with it. Bitch. I'm so tired of these people hiding in bushes. Like, I will literally weed all of them out. I have no problem with that. They're all gonna pay for hiding. Might be someone in that bush or in this house or in that bush. There's 3 wolves over there. You just never know. I'm just so tired of people hiding. Like, just fucking play the game. Stop being a little bitch. Here we go. 50s. Like, I'm just being aggressive. I don't want people to be able to run and hide. Can we drop a 20 bomb, possibly? We only need 4 more kills. We only need 4 more kills to hit 20. But if I die before I get there, I guarantee you it's because someone's hiding in a bush. That's the only. That's like literally the only way I will die. There's some fucking guys hiding in a bush because he doesn't want to die and wants to win the game with his fucking 0 kills. And then he's gonna pop out the last second and kill me. There's a bush hider right there. There's 5 people left. I kind of have to play it smart. I can't just keep jumping into shit. There we go. Please don't be hiding in a bush. I swear, dude. So tired of people hiding in bushes. Alright, it's me and someone else. It's my game to lose. Let's go, baby! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! $18 bomb, let's go. 18 kills.